Like, y'all tell me down in the comments, like, how you loving it? Like, look at that hairline, sis. Like, so what is up, YouTube? So today's video will be featuring Mscoco's hair. So this hair, y'all, is so bomb. It's so great. I love this hair. Like, y'all tell me down in the comments, like, how you loving it? Like, look at that hairline, sis. Like, you tell me what you think about this hair. You tell me what you think about Mscoco hair. But so this wig right here, just to get into some specs about the hair, this wig is their water wave unit, and it is 20 inches. And y'all, when they say water wave, they really mean water wave. Like, this is coming through, sis. Like, and I'm just so happy that it's a wig, y'all. So this unit is a wig, and I'm thankful for it because, like, sometimes, you know, I just need a break from making my own wigs, so that saves me so much time. But I'm so grateful that they did send this wig over for me to review. And like I said before, this is their water wave hair. It is 20 inches, and it comes about right here to my boob area. So it's about 20 inches, and it's 250% density. To me, that is a good amount that you need. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, so I would say yes to this wig and get a 250% density wig as well, guys. So, like, if you guys would like to see my honest review on this hair, then sis, just keep on watching, because you already know I'm gonna give you the tea on this hair, sis. So keep on watching. Y'all have been asking me to install a wig and melt my lace, but I already plucked the hairline, and I've already bleached the knots on this hair. The first thing that I have done was did the ball cap method. Glamazon Tay, she is a really good person to look at for the ball cap method, because, you know, she has the whole new method where you cut the ear out, and, you know, it allows it to lay flat right there, right before your ear. And to adhere the cap down, all I used was the Got2b freeze hold spray, and I went back in with the Bold Hold. I went back in with the Bold Hold Active just at the front of the cap, and kind of pushed it down just so the cap wouldn't roll up. And I did put foundation on this cap as well to make it look more scalp-like. So that is where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get this other banana clip, and girl, we'll get to melting this lace. All right, y'all, so I am back, and I'm gonna be looking down because I'm looking into my mirror. So now what I am about to do is to go ahead and lift up the lace and just apply some more of that glue right there in front of the ball cap. And I like to work in sections, so this Bold Hold Active comes with like this little thing right here, this little applicator. I don't have the little funnel thing to put it in here. I just have the bottle, which I didn't know they came separately when I bought it. So I didn't know they came separately when I bought it. So I like it because it helps me thin out the product and smooth it over, like right before my hairline starts. I won't apply a lot of this product because I don't want to keep this wig on for forever. So I only put about one coat on here, and it already has turned clear. So all I do is just make sure I got all these hairs out before I pull it down. That little brush that I told y'all about, I just push this up into the hairline. got these little scissors from Sally's Beauty Supply, and y'all, they are the GOAT because it helps you get in super close. Alright, so now that the glue is applied, I'm gonna go ahead and put my silk scarf on. And you want to apply your wrap, your silk wrap, kind of tight to hold firm pressure. So I always double knot mine. Alright, so hair wrap is applied, honey. I'm going to go ahead and try to do my makeup because this is like early in the morning, y'all. Early in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup and I'll come back and we'll do some baby hairs together. All right, YouTube, so I am back, guys. So I don't know if you can actually see this lace, like, I don't know, it has like a darkish type of hue to the lace. He's so lame, bro, he's so lame. But anyway, so about this lace, it appears a little bit darker, so this will be the lace that you will have to actually tint. It's a little bit darker around the hairline. So that's one thing that I did notice, but I've already pulled out the baby hairs, cut them as well. So now I'm gonna take some Nairobi foaming lotion and just wet this hair. Alright, so my baby hairs are laid to my liking, and this is what they look like with no powder on the lace or anything like that. This is what it's looking like. So once again, I'm gonna use my silk wrap. All right, so once again, you know you gotta lay the edges down, girl. Lay them edges down. And so I will be back to you guys once I finish my makeup. My lashes are already on, so I'll come back with a full face of makeup and then we will do the reveal of the edges, honey, and I will show you how to correct a darker lace than your skin tone by using foundation powder. So, all right, so I'm back. I'm so sorry if you hear my son's tablet. He has to be in this office, y'all. If I let him go in this house, my house will be destroyed. So I'm so sorry if you hear my son's tablet, but so I wet the hair, did my makeup, highlight is popping. you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the wrap off. All right, guys, so this is what she's looking like. The hair is wet, and this is what its natural state looks like. Y'all, I'm shook. This wig looks so damn good, y'all. Like, it looks so good. You couldn't tell me that you couldn't imagine yourself on a beach with this hair and just like letting it flow, honey. Like, yes, queen. Like, y'all, I'm like really shook. Like, Mscoco, you came through and did the damn thing. And I even like put like my wash and go products in the hair as well, just to kind of see how it would look. And I did use a curl diffuser to kind of fluff out the curls and make them a little bit more bouncier. And y'all, I really love this hair. I really do. Like y'all, the only con that I can say is that the lace is a little bit darker. So if you're darker than me, then this lace would match really good with you. But what I'm going to do right now to make it blend a little bit more to my liking is use my face powder, and I'm using MAC NC45, and I'm gonna just dab. I have a little angle brush right now, and all I'm gonna do is just dab a little bit. I'm really like feeling this hair. Y'all, sis, you can't tell me nothing. Y'all, I can't stop talking about this hair. It is really so damn good. Like, Mscoco, I don't even care if y'all decide not to work with me anymore or whatever the case may be, girl, but just know that you got yourself a loyal damn customer with this hair, because like, I thought that last hair I was gonna take to Bali, but girl, no, Mscoco, you said no. And so this honestly will be the exact same unit, mark my words. This will be the unit that I take with me on my honeymoon. Like, sis, you know the hair gotta be popping if I tell you that I'm gonna take this hair to Bali. Like, sis, this texture is so damn bomb. Like, this is just with water and like a curl diffuser, which I'm pretty sure the curls will probably still be there even if I didn't use a diffuser. Like, sis, come on, like, what you talking about? So if you guys like this hair, please go ahead and purchase it. Give it a try, y'all. I'm just not like one of these other YouTubers that saying like, oh, hey, the hair is good, da. No, sis, like, real spill, real deal, real tea. This hair is bomb, like, for real.